So if you see here, this is the um, process to install the LLM on Raspberry Pi. So to do that, the first thing that we need to do, the command that we have to give is we have to update the system. That means the Raspberry Pi, whether it is up to the latest version or not. So just try to update and then install the OLLMA. So what is OLLMA is basically it's a software which enables you to run your models on the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so we have to install that, and after that just ensure that it is properly installed. So you give OLLMA version command which returns the version of OLLMA, and then there are several lightweight models which we need to run or once this OLLMA is installed, which could be tinyllama 53 and gamma 2b. So any of these, once you run, okay, you run using OLLMA, run tinyllama command. Okay, once you do this, you will get a prompt and you can start querying this particular model. Now, how this model behaves, what information this model has, let us explore.